Okay, let's get started. Alrighty. Let's get started. Where is the mat?
There is a more.
Where is the mat? Where is the mat? Okay. Can you pass me gloves? Okay, 3 recipes today, right? The first one is, okay, never hold the knife this way. So you can't hold the knife this way because this is the sharp edge of the knife. It might can hurt you or it can be hazard. So always hold the knife close to your body like this whenever you walk in the kitchen. When you pass the knife someone, you have to give it like this way. Never touch the sharp edge of the knife. Whenever you chop, make sure your chopping board is stable. Never catch the knife in the kitchen. It's not good. Never point the knife towards someone. I'll murder you. This is not nice. Okay, so make sure these whenever you follow these activities, please follow that. Okay, so that's pretty basic. So what we need to do is, okay, this one is, so one we using is pork shoulder, and one we are using, this is pork neck, this is pork neck, and this one is pork shoulder. Oh no, not pork shoulder, the pork loin, right? So basically you have done the roulade. Come here on the edge. Yes, that's good. So this one, if you can see this one is pork neck, right? This is the neck part of the pork. So we can use it. What we recommend is, what I'll do is, for my knowledge, usually when we cook this pork neck, I'll marinate this, and I tied it nicely with the thread. Like once I'll marinate it, let's say if I want to stuff inside anything, like anything, any spices, any dry nuts, same like roulade you cook it, same that I'll marinate it and stuff inside.
So what?
Sorry? So you already have done the roulade. So once you do that, what I'll do is I gently fold this up, right, and I'll just tie with the thread. So what do you want me to do? You want me to cook this all together just as it is, or we can cook into the small portions? If we cook all in the, but you will be walking here and there, and which will have fun, so it's not a good idea. What I'll do is I'll put in a 3 portion or 4 portion, so you just marinate it and hold. So what knife we call this? Butchering knife, filleting knife, right? So I'll give you the small portions, right? So you can use it and just marinate them and follow your recipes. Right, so that's another one. Make sure it should cook like steaks. Done.
3 on you, please.
Yeah, right. So this one will keep in a put in another table. Yep. Right. So for this recipe, what we do is we will follow the charred soy pork. This is basically the Asian dish. We will follow it. So what you need to do is you need to marinate with all the Asian sauces, such as hoisin sauce we have soya sauce, we have like palm sugar which we melt, usually we use in, and we also add ginger and garlic in this, right? So and we also add honey, oyster sauce we do have, and the 5 spices powder. I'll give you that one. So what you need to do is you just put that quantity and marinate this pork neck and just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or half an hour if you can, while you make another dishes. So just leave it in the fridge Once it's done, we will take the griddle pan. Either we cook in a griddle pan, or we will get the color on the griddle pan and just we will bake in a oven. That's very good idea, because if you finish your product in the griddle pan, might it get burned. We don't want that. So make sure you get the grill marks, put in a oven and finish your product. Easy? Any questions so far? Yes? Any questions so far?
No.
Good. No problem. Okay, and another one was, where is the recipes? That one. So the cauliflower is basically we couldn't get the liver from the butcher. So what we do is a substitute we will use as a breast, chicken breast. So same as it is as you cook cauliflower, we will follow the same recipe, but we will cook chicken breast. So what we use for, what chopping board we use for chicken? Which one? For chicken, what chopping board we use? Yellow. Where is yellow? Good job. So can you bring the yellow chopping board? Bring the bin here. Bring the bin. Or just I'll give you the one bone. That's fine. Or one breast. You can cut it according to your choice. No problem. Okay, so can you put this one on each table? One. And 2, 3. Two and 3. Come this way. Okay, so what you need to do is, this one is cauliflower. So let's so cauliflower, what you need is, so basically you need to gently marinate with the salt and pepper with the olive oil and leave it on the side for 10 to 15 minutes. And this is a preparation. So basically it does not have any fat on top, right? So what you need to do is, you just need to straight away marinate it and just put in a griddle pan or a hot plate.
Yeah.
What do we need to do with the breast?
Marinate.
Okay.
I'm watching this one same more.
Okay. What else we need to do?
Huh?
What else we need to do?
I don't know.
So for this one, what we need to do is, squeeze the lemon and sprinkle the juice over the breast. Or if you add onion in there, like we just cook along with the onion, this breast, just to get more flavor in the breast, right? But this is cauliflower, so cauliflower is just mild taste. It does not have any much flavor, but usually we add some spices, lemon juice and onions to bring out more flavors. Actually, what you need to do is heat the oil in a large fry pan and fry the liver. So basically you have to fry this one in a not in a big pot of fryer, just you need to just put in a little bit oil in there and just keep cooking on low flame. If it's high flame, what will happen? It will burn, it will change the color. And keep the juice and fry the onions and apple rings. So we have to, along with the garnish this, so we will make the onion rings for the extra garnish. So onion rings, basically cut round onion rings coated with the flour and the corn flour, plain flour. If anybody is gluten, we cannot use plain flour, we can use rice flour, corn flour and chickpea flour, right? That we can use, and just you can fry in a fryer or you want to fry in a separate pan, up to you. So fry at the last. Once this breast is cooked, gently cook in the slices and nicely plate up and garnish with the onion rings, and little bit which you cook onion on the side, put on the top layer. Done, your dish is ready. And I'll show you one. So this one I'll cook it by myself and I'll show you what step needs to be done when we cook it. Done. So I'll marinate this and I'll let's say we will cook this one as a steak. right? So this one is like pork shoulder. That was the pork neck. So I'll marinate this and I'll cook in an oven, and I'll tell you how to cook it. And after that, we will put in slices and we will serve it. Easy? Any questions so far? No? So make sure grab all the ingredients what you require for these 3 dishes, and rest I'll do it by myself. If still you have any confusion, feel free to ask. Done? Any question? Why are you laughing? What happened?
Tell us.
He's saying something? No? He's angry? So we have the white wine here, so you can use in your dish, in your pork neck, to just get the nice infusion in that. So you will be working 3, you will be working 3, and you will be working 3, and I will be working alone. Okay? Oh, that's not fair. Aw. Okay, so make sure before you handle, wash your hands, hygiene practice follow according to you use right chopping board, and make sure your hair should not fall into the food. You should nicely put your hat on. बाल अंदर करो. Right, so let's get started cooking, guys. Good chef. So whenever you pass anyone, just say coming through, behind you, hot coming. English, English please. Can you give all gloves to everyone? Oi, English.
This is our table.
English please. English.
This one is ours. We put him here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah?
Sorry?
1, 2, 3, 4. We are team.
Yes.
Yeah? No?
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, Heather, come here. These are we 4.
What are you doing on that table? Come here. Come on this table. What are you doing, Neha, here? What are you doing on one table, everybody? What are you doing in one table? No, this is there. They are already working. Put another table there. Go at the back. Put another table there.